what's up guys, this is your Tech Freak MB, and in this video what I have the Miui Pro ROM. Wow, now the Pro means the lot of features, lot of pro features you get on this ROM. Now first of all, talking about the phone. Now first of all, just look at to the security patch level. I don't want to talk about that, but it's January 1 2017 security patch. Oh my god, so much security has been given by the Miui developers. Thanks for that. Now again, the Android version 5.1.1. I don't know why Xiaomi done this, because they have stopped the update for Redmi 2 and a lot of other 5 devices, because they're not going to update it anytime soon. So they don't want that phone, so they just discontinue the process of updating their phone monthly. Hilarious. Now talking about the features, oh god, this ROM has a lot of features to offer, but yeah, not a good battery life. I'm going to tell you, the battery life performance, it's poor. I would say it's fairly poor performance with the battery, but yeah, with the visuals and the settings, it has a lot of things to offer. Let's look at those features. In display settings, it gets something like this: animations, again screen off animations, sorry for that, screen modes like rounded corners, immersive mode, screen on buttons, which is nothing but the navigation bars. They are not visible at all, and other things like gestures anywhere, so no use of it. Additional settings, nothing to offer. A lot of people don't know about the uses of those features. I don't know why they have given, but yeah, for those pro users, you can have this ROM and use the pro features of the Miui. Also, you can get this sound on charge, because sometimes you just plug your phone and gets charged fully, but you don't know if it's charged fully or not. So it will give you a notification for that, which is simple and nothing but the sound for the fully charged phone, which is, wow, amazing features. You can see sound when fully charged, screen lock, screenshot settings, like enabling the sound or not, it's up to you. Dial pad sounds, a lot of other sounds related things, and also expand the volume settings. So very cool. Wow. Now next thing, sorry for the over exposure of this video, because I'm using a LED panel. It's just a side of me, so it may brighten the video too much. Sorry for that. Next thing, moving on the lock screen password. Let's quickly finish this video, because nothing to offer, because battery is not good, so no meaning of showing this, because as it is a requested video, that's why I'm showing it. Notification, and sorry for that, notification and status bar. So you can change each and everything from the notification panel, except the colors of those, because that's the weather. You cannot hide it, but you can hide the weather. Weather, you can see, I will show you. You can hide the weather. Wow, so cool, but no use of it. Hide the search bar like this, you can hide it, but it is fairly useful. If I say hide the brightness panel, fully of use of it, because I don't know why they have given this feature, but still you have that. Collapse after touch, the notification panel will go automatically up when you touch any toggle, which is good. No need to work like this, up and down, up and down, up and down. And home screen and recents, enable the turn on the app vault, which is nothing but the just swiping left and right and get some informations and some notes directly from your home screen. Okay feature for the bigger phones, not for this 4.7-inch phone. Also, you can add these shadows to the icons, reflections. It looks so cheap sometimes. Also set the grid size, showing the status of the memory. Okay, some gestures and stuff. So that's the feature pack ROM of the Miui Pro. As a little developer, they work so hard, but the battery life is not so good to use it as a daily driver, so don't use it. If it's just my point of view, can have this ROM and just try it if you want to try it. Thanks for watching. This is Manik. I'm signing off, and don't get hurt, Miui fans.